The Chevy C10, to some it's a relic. To others it's an icon. But to those who know, it's a canvas. A piece of American steel that refuses to fade, evolving with each new generation that lays hands on it. Today we're taking a deep dive, not just into the C10's history, but into its future. From cutting-edge tech to new faces in the community, we're exploring how this truck's soul remains timeless, even as it transforms in ways no one could have imagined. For decades, the C10 was about wrenching, restoring, and keeping it original. But something's changed. Builders today are blurring the lines between old school and new school, turning resto mod into an art form. We're talking electric conversions that keep the truck's heartbeat alive without a drop of fuel. Advanced suspension systems that hug the corners like a sports car. And for the parts you just can't find, some are turning to 3D printing and CAD design to create custom, unobtainable components. It's not just a restoration anymore, it's a reinvention. The C10 crowd isn't what it used to be, and that's a good thing. Younger enthusiasts, more diverse builders, and fresh perspectives are redefining what this community looks like. Gone are the days when the only way to connect was at a local cruise night. Now entire builds happen under the watchful eyes of thousands on Instagram and TikTok. Facebook groups and online forums have become the new parking lots where friendships are forged and advice is traded at the speed of Wi-Fi. And specialized C10 events, they're popping up everywhere. From niche swap meets to massive gatherings that celebrate every style under the sun. Some trucks live in the garage, coming out only for car shows, but many C10s are living, breathing parts of their owners' daily lives. Whether it's a camping rig with a bed rack and a rooftop tent, or a rolling coffee shop serving lattes from the tailgate, these trucks prove they're more than trailer queens, and in some cases, they're giving back, being used in charity events, community projects, and fundraisers. These are trucks with stories and owners with purpose. Customization has always been the lifeblood of the C10 scene, but the next wave is different. Imagine predictive maintenance telling you when a part will fail before it does. Augmented reality overlays showing how a new set of wheels will look before you even buy them. Even self-driving concepts for classic trucks aren't off the table. The boutique market for one-off C10s components is exploding, and industry experts warn that while original parts are getting harder to find, innovation is filling the gap. This is the golden age for anyone with a vision and the tools to make it real. In every corner of the C10 community, there's a debate. Keep it pure or push it forward. Some believe in restoring every nut and bolt to factory spec, keeping history alive exactly as it rolled off the assembly line. Others see the C10 as a platform for self-expression, cutting, swapping, and upgrading until only the VIN reminds you it's a classic. But both camps share something important: a deep respect for the truck's legacy. And that's the beauty of the C10 world. There's room for everyone. The C10 story isn't written in stone. It's written in steel, sweat, and the vision of whoever holds the wrench next. Whether you're restoring a survivor, building a wild resto mod, or dreaming up something that the world's never seen before, you're part of the legacy. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment with your C10 story, your dream build, or the mod you think will define the next generation. And remember, preserving the soul doesn't mean standing still. It means carrying it forward. This is the OG C10. Thanks.